Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove a movie or TV show from continue watching on Amazon Prime Video. Let's get started. First, only go iPhone and open the Amazon Prime Video app and make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, scroll down until you see continue watching. Here you will see movies or shows you recently started watching. Find the movie and show you want to remove. Press and hold your finger on the title. A small menu will appear. Tap remove from continue watching or hide this video. The title will disappear from the list right away. And that's it. Removing titles from continue watching helps you keep your Prime Video screen clean and organized. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.